Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your intake manifold of BMW E60 550i. The first thing, you want to disconnect the fuel pump by unscrewing those 4 nuts. Remove that wire harness. Okay guys, one Valvetronic motor is out. We have to unscrew 4 Allen bolts. Allen 4. And the Valvetronic will pop up, just careful. It's under tension. Let's do the other side. 3 bolts are out. And then do the last one. You can see that it's popping up. Okay. Okay, that's it. $10mm socket, 4 bolts. Remove the throttle body. You can leave it out of the way. And actually it's much more easier to remove the socket. Yeah, better remove it. It's quite clean. Remove the fuel vent line. Already disconnected. It's quite difficult, but not impossible. Right. torque 27 socket, and you can remove. So yeah, we are ready to pull out the injectors now. The rail on one side. Okay, one is out. This side. Okay, that one. Also. Okay. Just make sure all O-rings are in place. You should put some oil before you install again, or replace them all. There are two wire electrical sockets at the back for these valves, this actuator, sorry. And it's good if we can prime the manifold just to pull out the side, so we can disconnect them. Okay, let me use two hands. Place the intake manifold just like that, so you can access the there are 1, 2, 3 electrical sockets. I will remove them and I will show you.